All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price. Want a slice, got to roll the dice. That's why all my life, I've been grinding all my life. Look, all my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice, hustle paid the price.
What's going on, everybody in the YouTube land? It's your boy Chuck, aka the Gold Gorilla, and I just want to hop on here real quick and give everybody an update. Gold and Great Britain USD analysis for the week. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're coming back, you know what it is. You know what we do here and how we like to get down on these charts. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so you can see right now what I have up is a gold play from last week. And oh man, gold was a roller coaster ride for us. But all I can say, if you're still holding from here from 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, from 1809 or 1808, you're doing great. Please do not close your trade. Keep holding at least to 1720 and 1680 area. We're heading that way, as you can see. I closed out my trade last week around 1735 area, I believe, somewhere here, and I jumped in a buy. Didn't go up as far as I thought it would go, but I was able to close out my trade just in time, around 1765, 1764, and it started dropping. I took another buy, and by the grace of God, I was probably lucky to able to close out that trade just in time before we got the continuation buy. As you can see, I was looking for gold to either sell, but I really wanted the retracement. Definitely here. And you can see we got that plus more. As we got higher, I was looking for gold to go up to this area based off of the DXY actions, and it reversed. So based off this candle here, just pretty much telling me now we are in a fully sell. So without further ado, let me show you what I got planned for gold. So we're just going to move some things over here, delete some things. Just a quick update, not much changing. Overall, we still looking for the sell. We just was looking for some slight pullback. So what I want to see now with gold is we can take this out because 1740 was broken. And I tell you, it was 1740 was broken. We can continue looking for sales. That was broke, so that has been complete. Would like for that to have kept going to 1720, but you know how gold like to fake you out. So we got 1740 broken, came down, made some money, then it retraced, and we made some money going up very nicely. All right, so this is what I want to see with gold overall. I can't exclude that it may just keep dropping from here, but based off of what I see on the DXY, reviewing that, doing some back testing, I want to see gold at least give me a little small pullback. And just like the last week, it can give, we have two pullback scenarios. So the first scenario I'm looking at is around, I'm going to put a blue line. The blue line is going to represent my sell line for all my new followers. So I'm looking for a sell around 1740, somewhere in that area. And the next scenario would be to keep going. If it doesn't sell from there, my next sell area is 1774 from what I reviewed from a back testing here. So it ain't got to be exact, but somewhere in this area, if it keeps going up, we're going to look for taking our profits. If you're going to take the buy, and look for sales down here. All right, let me clean this up. All right, so still, we're going to keep that there. This is the play here for gold. And the last scenario you can get is for gold just to continue selling. All right. As I said before, once we get to the 720 area here, we definitely want to see this give us a quick pullback. And if it does give us a quick pullback, I'm going to take that back to the 1714. It just say 1718 to be on the safe side. I'm sorry, 1738. Oh, I just got these numbers all over the place today. 1738. I apologize. I've been in the sun. I don't think my brain is working correctly. But 1738, let's make that clear. And from there, I want to see this baby come here. This is my play on gold. I honestly just see it want to come down here really, really bad. And it's moving. I would have made it down here a lot quicker. But I think we were playing off of this lower channel trend that I have. So I think we are working our way down that. So we should get a lot of this action here. A lot of back and forth. Oh, sorry. So realistically, if we was looking at this red line, this is what I'm looking more at here. Just this crazy play, just working our way down this channel until we hit this zone. How we get there is going to be all over the place. I don't think it's going to be pretty. So all I can tell you, if you're holding your sell, the best thing is to continue holding. And that will be pretty much you can sleep well at night and be stress-free, which is always great when you're making money. The real slogan of making up money while you sleep is to just sleep well and let this thing do its thing. But if you're not and you're looking for a trade for the week, go. This is what I have. You can make a quick screenshot if you want. Let me take this red line out, but just kind of using that as an illustration for you guys. But just to let you know how it's not going to be pretty. It's not going to be dry and cut here, there. Come back here, go to. It's going to be a little up and down, up and down. That's to fake you out, make you think it's selling, make you think it's buying. Next thing you know, you don't know what to do. You're all over the place. So that's a part of the market. If you've been trading for as long as I have, going on 10 years, you would know that by now. It's all about patience and setting yourself up for the right range. So my play is this one here, this what I'm circling right now. I am in a buy right now from 1734. I'm holding from Friday. My group is in a buy, and I have a stop loss at 1728, I believe. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm just drop that in for you guys, 1728. So you'll know exactly what my plan is. Giving you all my good information and everybody make this good money. All right. So this is my plan. Just being honest. I have a buy here, but I do have I'm looking to come here. If it comes to 1728, I will be taking that loss, but I have a very big lot size right here. That's going to make all this profit back. So if you know what I'm talking about, it take time. You got to sit down and do your calculations and find out what lot size you need to do. You should never be risking your entire account. So I'm risking a small amount on this play back up to 1744. Make a nice little deposit I want to make on this. But if it doesn't play out and it comes back to this zone, I am not going to be upset. Why did that? Okay, I'm just messing with stuff. I'm sorry. I'm not going to be upset because what's going to happen is once they hit this, I'm going to close out that loss and I'm going to make all that money plus a little bit more down to 1720. And from there, I'm looking to buy back up to 1738, somewhere in this area. Just drop a little. Best if I just drop a little square here so you guys know everything is not exact. It's a zone, so let's change that to blue as well. Blue is for selling. You can code things, put your color code on what works for you. But for me, blue is for selling, or I'm sorry, blue is my entry point. Red is my stop loss, where I'm looking to lose my profits at and looking to jump in a different trade, going the opposite direction, my stop loss area. And green is my take profit. As you can see here, I have a green there, so I will be looking to see what the market does in this area at 1700 even. There's a possibility that it can stop here. If I get some pullback, I will go ahead and take all my profits right here. But if I see a hard break, I'm gonna let it go down to 1680. All right, spend enough time on gold. This is the play. Overall, this is the one I'm looking for. But if it keeps going, just be mindful that it could make it back up to 1764 area. Okay. So if you take your sale here, I mean, common sense would tell you, not to be funny, but to make sure that your stop loss is above this. So if you're going to take your sale here, make sure your stop loss is probably around 1775 area, because like I told you before, it's a very high chance, probably about another 50% chance that this could make it here. All right. Good luck on gold and get your screenshot. Let's jump on Great Britain USD. Great Britain USD. Okay. Let's jump on the weekly. Great Britain USD has been playing out great. I haven't been calling any trades on this one. I just want to continue selling this. We bought real quick last week, made some profits, but overall I'm still holding the sale. Been holding this one for the longest. I should have did the same thing with gold and kept holding that one, but I like to double dip sometimes. So it is what it is. Great Britain USD is still the play. If you're still in this trade keep holding down to 1600 area. But overall, for Great Britain USD, I am looking for a pullback now. If we're going to get one, it's going to be here. And like I said, you can go for this. It might be a slight risk on this, but I am going for it. Matter of fact, I'm not going for it, but if you're new and just jumping on this trade, I recommend that you wait, either have a sell stop or wait till we get to around this area here, 17. Let me see, 17. Let me say maybe 1.17800 area. Yeah, somewhere around there. When I was looking at it on the smaller time frame, that was showing a very nice retracement. I'm just speeding up this video. I'm showing you guys off the weekly, but I have already looked at this trade on the 4 hour, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour. So I have scaled down on the time frame. So I would not be doing that because that's more of a teaching portion, which if you're looking for classes, you can reach out to me on how to set up your charts and read charts and identify different zones, resistance, supports, retracement, Fibonacci. I will teach you all that stuff. But for this video, we're going to speed things up. So I have already did all the research, and this is what I want to look for our pullback here based off the weekly chart. So I am going to take this out the picture. This is, feel like that's none and void. I don't feel it. It's going to make it back up that high again. Cleans things up a little bit. This will still be my stop loss at 19,500 area. So if you're going to sell, make sure you still use this as your stop loss. Okay, gang, that's all I have. Nothing has changed much on this, just providing you guys with another entry. And then, as I told you before, we could continue dropping on this one. And this right here is the zone I'm looking. If this break, we would continue selling. But overall, I would like to see us be looking for pullbacks in here somewhere, anywhere in this area. Both of these green boxes can be buy boxes, so I'm gonna just put it right between it. Yeah, I may have to start doing live videos. I would like some, be nice to get some interaction back. But until now, I want to just provide you guys with some good content. You guys can always reach out to me and provide information on anything that you're looking for in the comments. If you're looking for live videos, want to do live trading, or just want to look at some other different pairs, please reach out to me. But this is the play for Great Britain USD. Make sure you get a screenshot. And I am going to show you guys the DXY real quick. And then we're going to get out of here. And we may possibly look at the oil and see what it's doing. But let's see what we got for the DXY and why we're coming up with this explanation for those two pairs. And the DXY. The DXY really played out exactly almost identical to what I said last week. If you go back and look at last week's video, I had these two areas marked up. It got right here and pulled back. And as you see, this is what kind of confused me and probably a lot of other traders. And I didn't really notice that we had a rejection here and past history, a rejection. But I was looking for this to happen. So, but it did the exact same thing. So honestly, I would like to see DXY do this, mirror this now that it has rejected, pull back. I would like to see a retracement. Let me see here. I would like to see a retracement still, probably halfway here. Could be back all the way back to zone one more time, but at least halfway I want to see a retracement and then pull back. The DXY, and then also it could still come all the way back to this zone if it would like to. I wish it would have just came here last week. Things would be so much easier to determine what's going on with Great Britain and the gold pair. But we didn't get that, so now we got to adjust accordingly. Because you should always update yourself with your trades, and if the trade change, your plan has to change. It's just simple as that. You don't go with the same plan and just leave money and let the market take your money. So we have to adjust our plan as the market changes. So I would like to see this. Bam, bam. Retrace. And then sell. Of course, if it pulls here, that will bring gold to 1744. But we pull here, that would bring gold up to 1764 or possibly a little bit higher area. And then that rejection would bring gold and Great Britain USD down. And then if we can get this to hold, that would bring those two pairs back skyrocketing. And now, if you guys kind of understand how I break this down, it's really simple. You have to understand what's going on with the market, the news. As you can see last week, Federal Chairman Powell got on and made a speech, and wow, we just seen the market move within seconds. It's just incredible. So you have to understand what's going on with the news, any type of current events, and then of course you need to know fundamentals, what's going on, resistance, supports, and then if you're going to be trading the U.S. pairs, this right here, baby, is going to help you understand the overall movement of the market. So make sure you get in tune and tapped in with the DXY. That's all I have, guys. I want to thank you for jumping on. I'm not going to go over the oil today. I think I spent enough time, but oil is still selling if you check it out and still doing its thing. But thank you again for jumping on. If you want to reach out to me, please contact me. In the description, you can find my Telegram information, my website. Contact me, email, whatever you need to do. And if you want looking for a signal group, you can find that in the description. If you're looking for a trading journal to log in your information so you can track your weekly, daily activities, you can find that also in this description. Make sure you like this video if you got some out of it today. If you didn't like it anyways, I just appreciate the love. And if you're new and first time checking out my new YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so you can get further and updated contents weekly. Thank you again, and you guys have a blessed week. I wish you all the best, and let's go at it. Good luck. The Gold Gorilla is out.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.